Hi everyone. I just wanted to get on here real quick to talk about improving your writing. So, I have received a couple of messages asking about how to improve your writing. So, especially after reading some materials, and then how would you remember those ideas, etc. Right? So, I would say that is such a great start. And what you can do from there is read like a thief. That's what I like to call. So it's not literally like stealing other people's ideas, but it's taking inspiration from how they think, how they write. What main messages are they trying to deliver? How are they trying to deliver, right? Because writing is all about expressing your ideas with words. If you have the idea, you're halfway there. The only thing you need is language. So you can just rely on the language that you already have, the vocabulary range that you already have, the grammar that you already have, and just try to express your ideas with them. Well, now here's the thing. If you want to improve that range that you already have, try to do something called nominalization. So that is the definition of that is where you try to change a verb or an adjective or sometimes an adverb to a noun. That helps you understand how the word is used in different contexts. So this is a very good way to widen or broaden your range of vocabulary that you already have. And of course, read a lot. And for grammar structures, like I was saying, get out of your comfort zone, try to get feedback, and yeah, like I was saying, basically try to read like a thief, because try to get inspired by other people's ways of expressing their ideas. And the next important thing is getting feedback. So remember, when you get feedback, you're not supposed to get, oh, this is so good, keep doing, go girl, not like that, but try to get something really genuine. Like, you need to fix this part, you need to fix that part. For example, you have problems with singular, plural uses and stuff like that. Try to get feedback like that, and you will actually take the action and improve. The next important thing is understand your reader. Who are you trying to get your message to? Who are you trying to write to, right? Who do you want your essay or any written piece to be read by? So think about that properly. Maybe also think about how you would be as that reader, and you will understand that better. So what are they looking forward to understanding? What do they want to learn? What type of language do they feel comfortable, or do they look forward to reading from you? So if you do that, that's going to be great. So those are the little tips I would like to share with you. And yeah, happy writing.